Sabi dito, hindi daw natutuwa si Vice Ganda sa araw-araw na pambubuli kay Aura sa social media. Now, nare-realize mo na ba na yung pinagkakakitaan mo ng pera pag ginawa sa malapit sa'yo or mahal mo sa buhay, masakit? Isn't that ironic? Tignan natin yung post ni Aura and basahin natin yung mga comments. Sabi dito, rare photo of Pascal Siakam sitting on the woods. Perfect shot of long-haired Russell Westbrook. Rare photo of species called Baklawit. Rare photo of Booker T. Hindi ko na mabasa yung iba. Natatawa na ako. Mogul Khan when he was still holding wood instead of axe. Rare photo of SGA without braids. Rare photo of Hercules sitting in the woods. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh my God. Roasted, literally. The beauty of Brawny. So, again, yung pinagkakakitaan mo, Vice, is now being performed doon sa isa sa malapit sa'yo or mahal mo sa buhay. What do you call that? I think it's called karma. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.